and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make a Christmas card using the fun fold method and the DSP, the flowers for every season. It's got lots of different patterns in it, one of which is a Christmas poinsettia pattern, and then there's some pine needles and leaves that we're going to use. We're using the new in color Just Jade. I've already pre-cut our greeting just to make the video go a little bit quicker, but I used real red and I used the May Your Days Be Merry and Bright from the Toile Christmas, and the die is from the Christmas Cardinal dies. It's a bundle from last year that's carried through to this catalog. Very happy to see it. So there's lots of pieces that go into this. We're going to use a landscape cut card, which means you cut your Whisper White cardstock 11 by 4 1/4. Then you score it at 5 1/2, and then on one side you score again at 2 3/4, so you can fold it back so you get your fun fold piece. In your DSP, you're going to cut a piece 5 1/4 by 4. You're going to cut two pieces 2 1/2 by 4. You will need a piece of Whisper White for your greetings inside at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And you will need a piece of Just Jade 3 by 3 and the coordinating DSP in 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. The DSP is great. This is beautiful background paper. You can use it for anything. This has got a really neutral stripe on the background. So to build this card, I'll just set the pieces to the side so that I can show you how to build it. You start with the inside, and I can open this up so you can watch me build it. So you start with your card open because everything's going to be done on this side of the card. Use your stamp and seal and use the adhesive to tag down your DSP. Sometimes it's directional and you need to decide which way up you'd rather have it. And then you center this on the unscored side. Just drop it down. These two pieces will go exactly the same so that when you fold it over, you get, you still see the DSP. So we'll just adhere these. Again, centering on the area so that it comes up nicely. And again, just checking your orientation of the design to make sure that you've got it the way up you want it. So that's how it starts. And this piece here, your 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, you can stamp a greeting on here if you want, or you can leave it blank to put your own words in, your to and your from, and a little message. And you put it on this side so that when you fold the card closed, you don't see it. Then you need to take your coordinating DSP, attach it to the Just Jade 3 by 3 square. When we attach this, we only want to glue down one side because we're going to attach it there and we want to be able to open the card. So we're just going to run some adhesive down the one side, and then we hold the card closed and we line up the points with this white edge, and it should fit top to bottom, and you just adhere it down. So that's what you see when you open it. As I said, I pre-stamped and pre-cut the May Your Days Be Merry and Bright greeting using dimensionals on it. So you just take the dimensionals off. You center this where you would like to have it on your card front. Just pop it down, and there you have, relatively quick. Once you've got all the pieces cut, this one lends itself well to doing a whole run of cards. So you cut all your pieces out, and then you can just start building the card. Again, it uses the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 DSP and the Toile Christmas stamp set with the Christmas Cardinal dies. If there is anything you would like to purchase from this video, please use the links below and subscribe so that you can see the next video that comes out. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.